Hello, this is Lee from QIHUA CNC. We handle all spare parts of CNC machine. Show you our showroom first. This part for laser machine. Please check. We can supply all parts. Even the CO2 cutting machine, we have spare parts. For this part, plasma. We have all parts for plasma and all parts for router. Here, all the goods are packed, ready to be sent to our customer. Oh, now we come into our warehouse. This bro is in charge of the warehouse.
Hi, I'm Apple.
Follow me to the second floor. This is where we are working. Have a look first. Okay. This is our purchasing department. Hello.
Hello, I'm Wendy. Hello, I'm Faith. Hi, I'm Summer.
This girl is in charge of advertising.
Hi, I'm Yana.
These three ladies, they are in charge of accounting.
Hi, I'm Amy.
Hello, I'm Penny.
Hi, I'm Happy.
Let's go. See you. Now come to our sales department. Hello, guys.
Hello, I'm Suleiman from QIHUA CNC.
Hello, I'm Paul, Foreign Sales Manager.
Oh, very good. Well done. And this lady in charge of logistics.
I'm Cindy.
Hello, this guy. Hello. This is our engineer. Okay, that's all.